Welcome to the Red List and LBC Exceptions webcast. Historically, we built structures out of readily available organic local materials such as wood, clay, stone, and plant materials. At the end of their useful life, these natural materials simply return to the earth. Today, building materials have become much more complex. Better living through chemistry has taken a life of its own, including the marketplace of building materials. Chemicals have improved a material's moisture protection or fire resistance. Plastic parts and components have become commonplace and valuable. With the advancement and development of chemical compounds, we've learned that there are often negative health consequences. Some effects are immediate, others are over the course of repeated use. In addition, we have learned that natural products don't necessarily mean safe products. Think of red and white lead. These are naturally occurring elements but are very toxic when used in the built environment. The Red List is a list of worst-in-class chemical families commonly found in building materials. LBC is not just concerned with Red List ingredients in our buildings. LBC considers all upstream and downstream impacts, both to people and the environment. In other words, some of these chemicals affect people occupying the building, others affect the environment during extraction or disposal, while still others affect factory workers and inhabitants of the factory's neighboring communities. The Red List is meant to be all-inclusive and gets longer with each iteration of the LBC standard, which is now 3.1. An ideal product will not contain any Red List ingredients at all. That said, the building materials marketplace and some building codes do not make this possible yet. Until such marketplace and jurisdictional barriers have been removed, LBC offers a list of exceptions. Here is the current list of exceptions organized by Red List ingredient. The Material Petal Handbook is your first resource for understanding the Red List and the existing temporary exceptions. However, between published versions of the handbook, the LBC dialogue is where clarifications and new rulings are shared. You'll get access to the online dialogue when you register your project. In addition to these exceptions, if a specific product is essential for your project and you cannot find a Red List free version, you can use the general Red List exception. You have to show that you've done due diligence by researching at least 3 comparable products by 3 different manufacturers and were unable to find a Red List free product. When Red List ingredients are used, the project team must write a letter to the manufacturer encouraging a reformulation of the product to exclude Red List ingredients. When full ingredient transparency is not shared, an advocacy letter is sent stressing the importance of transparency in the world of sustainability. This is an example of such a letter we sent to a manufacturer on behalf of a project at Williams College. Thanks for watching. For more LBC materials trainings, go to materiallybetter.com.